Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's another bare face video because today I am going to compare my favorite Aztec healing clay mask with the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. I have been using the Body Shop since I was in high school. I have been using their lotions, their lip glosses, and their body scrubs. So today I'm very excited to see if this will perform better than my favorite Aztec healing clay mask. So first, let's look at the claim of the Body Shop mask. Our powerful purifying charcoal face mask is the real deal for skin that needs some intense TLC. It absorbs excess oil, sucks up dirt and impurities, exfoliates, feels intensely tingly and refreshing, and gives you a bit of a healthy looking glow all in 5 minutes. You've been warned. Get ready to pamper and purify oily skin with zero mercy. Made with bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills, green tea leaves, and a little community fair trade tea tree oil. So basically on their website, they claim that this mask sucks out dirt and impurities and absorbs excess oil, and it also exfoliates. And that's the same claim as the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. So let's try this on. Okay, so before testing the two masks on my face, we're just gonna look at the microscope for the before video so we can really see the after effects of both of the masks. Okay, so this is my nose. That's the side. This is the right side. And this is the left side. So before applying the mask, I just cleanse my face, and then I am going to use this steamer. If you need a really good steamer, I'll be linking the link down below. And I'll be steaming my face for at least 5 minutes to just open up the pores before I put the mask on. This is the best at-home steamer I have ever used. There's no wait time before it can produce the steam, and it's very effective in opening my pores and softening my blackheads. I have a promo code for it on the description bar below. So on my right side, I'm going to use the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, and then on my left side, I am going to use the Body Shop. So on this Aztec Healing Clay Mask, I pre-mixed it with rose water instead of apple cider vinegar. This actually smells so amazing. This charcoal mask, oh my god. It smells like the spa. What's in here? Oh, it's kind of minty. I can feel it on my eye. Is there mint in here? So this is the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, and this is the side with the Body Shop. So the main difference is that this mask has these chunks right here. I think it's the Himalayan bamboo charcoal. The Body Shop mask smells so good. It smells so good. It smells really refreshing. I guess it's because of the green tea leaves. And it has that like menthol feeling on your face. Like when I fan my face, I can really feel the cooling sensation on the face. And I guess it's because of the tea tree oil. So the main ingredients of this mask is the bamboo charcoal, tea leaves, and tea tree oil. And the only ingredient on my Aztec Healing Clay Mask is calcium bentonite clay. So there's only one ingredient on this. Actually, this mask is one of my favorite masks. It's my trusted mask. And then the Body Shop is very new to me when it comes to masks. I usually use their lip glosses, their lotions, their body scrub, but not the mask yet. So I'm excited to see what are the results. So there's only 27 seconds left. So after that, we're gonna wipe my nose and we're gonna look at the microscope how they perform. So here is my right nose. I scraped a little of the mask so you can see. Oh, look at that. I feel like it really pulled the excess oil on my nose. You can really see the color change. Like there used to be like a pool of yellow, dark yellow oil just on my hair. Like you can see it, the hair follicles, that there will be like a pool of oil, but here there's not anymore. It looks really dry. On my left side where I used the Body Shop, you can see the plug of oil kind of like at the top and not like a little bit pulled. It looks like it's pulled out. When it comes to really pulling out the excess oil on my skin, I think both masks really did well. And we're gonna look at the microscope on which one really made my skin better. So I'm just gonna wash my face and be back. Okay, so wash my face. So I washed my face, so I'm now excited to know which one performed better. So let's look at our microscope again. So this is with, oh wow, it's really dry. And my skin looks really brighter than before. This is the Aztec Healing Clay Mask side. Oh, see, that's why I like this. You can see the oil really pulled out, so you can really see the top of their heads is there. You can easily remove it with a vacuum extractor or the manual extractor, because it's really just hanging by the hair. It's really above the skin. And then we're gonna look at the left side, which is the Body Shop one. What's this? Oh, look at that. Like the blackhead is really pulled from the pore. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Oh gosh, I can't wait to take this all out. Oh wow, look at, oh wow, look at that. So far, when it comes to like pulling the blackheads, I feel like the Body Shop actually performed well than my Aztec Healing Clay Mask. Like you can really see that it's more pulled out. Like this part is like halfway pulled out, but this one is almost like entirely pulled out from the pore. So when it comes to like pulling out excess oil, I think the Body Shop was a winner. So at this point, I'm just gonna use my vacuum. Oh yeah, it's so much easier. All the gunks I got from my left side. You can see it's a lot. We got from the left side. I think that the Body Shop Clay Mask is perfect for people with oily skin. It's really good in pulling out your excess oil, but if you have sensitive skin or if you have dry skin and maybe you just want to treat some of the areas like just your nose, you just want to remove those excess sebum on your nose or on the side of your cheeks, then maybe just a spot treat with this one and do not use it all over your face, because this might be very strong for you because it really has this great ingredients that would really remove excess oil from your face. If I have to choose between the two when it comes to price, I'll be choosing the Aztec Healing Clay Mask because a tub of this is super cheap. I'll just put somewhere here how much it is. and I'll put the price of this small little container of charcoal mask on here as well so you can compare. So when it comes to price, for sure Aztec Healing Clay Mask won, but when it comes to application, how it really performed on my skin, I feel like the Body Shop actually won, because the Body Shop, you don't have to mix it with anything, it's already ready. And the smell of this mask, it smells so refreshing. I mean, if you are very sensitive to smell, I think you can still use this, because the smell is actually not perfumey. It actually smells like fresh green tea. So it's really, really good. And if you like that refreshing feeling, like a mentally feeling on your face while having your mask, this is really good. I feel like it kind of gave you that spa-like experience with the smell and how it feels on your face. So the winner is for sure this Body Shop clay mask. If you have any favorite mask from the Body Shop, just comment down below. I'm actually very curious, because now that I am aware that their masks are really good, I really want to try their other mask. I know I have the Japanese green tea mask as well, so I'm going to try that on my next video, so watch out for that. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. I hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.